Hi guys, how's everyone? I hope everyone is good, and welcome to another installment of Learning Tree the Fun with Tree Junior Pro. I'm here with Mark. Mark, how was your week?
Oh, my week was awesome. Yeah.
Okay.
It's good.
That's great. Okay, guys, remember, please send in whatever comments that you want, and we'll do a live translation, right? But we have a few comments already from the past 2 weeks. Let's start with the first person. The first person that sent something was Lionel. Lionel, thanks again for continued support. And this is what Lionel wanted to know. The first thing that he wanted to know was, let's see, why did you bring him here? Oh, okay, cool. So you feel that to be Adɛn na wode no baha.
Yeah.
Again, Adɛn na wode no baha, which is literally, why did you bring him here? Yeah. So that's awesome. Okay, let's do two more, then we check the comment section. The next one was still from Lionel, and he wanted now to say, I thought I told you I didn't want to see him. Do you want to go for it?
Okay. I thought I told you I didn't want to see him. So what is there? He said, "Mankanchre will say, Mempese mehuno," which literally translates that, did I not tell you that I don't want to see this particular person?
Okay. All right.
Which comes back to the same thing where the person is trying to imply that I told you I didn't want to see him.
Okay.
100%. So Mankanchre will say, Mempese mehuno.
Okay, yeah. Sweet. Yeah. Thanks, Mark. Then Lionel wanted to know again. He wanted to know, how do you say yes, I told him, which is Aane, meka kyerɛɛ. Yeah. Again, Aane, meka kyerɛɛ. And okay, let's see what's in the comment section, then we'll come back. Yellow Sun says, hello, do you have Patreon? No, I haven't set that up yet. I think I'll do that at some point, but thus far, no. But once I do, I'll probably put it in the description section of all my videos. But thanks for asking. That was from Yellow Sun. Thank you. Or somewhere people can contribute. I think thus far, right? For now, I'm trying to push the Tree Junior Pro app. But thanks for your interest. Like I said, once I get my Patreon going, what I'll do is I'll actually put it in the comment in the description section of my videos. Then you can actually contribute if you choose to. I do have a PayPal account that I can also give, that I do, but I tend not to put it in my description section. But if you want that, what I'll do is in the description section of starting from now on, I'll put that, and whoever wants to contribute may contribute. Right? Don't feel forced to. It's just, well, I'm grateful that you guys are trying to help out, but thanks a lot. Then Ezekiel Johnson, great to join you today. Oh, cool. Nice. Thank you so much. There was, I think in our next session, guys, sorry for deviating. There was this guy, I forgot his name. He sent me a Facebook message correcting one of my spellings, right? Then I told him that in our next video, what I'll do is I'll invite him, right? There'll be 3 of us, which would be nice. Great, yeah, because I like the fact that he actually went on and tried to actually, made a comment, and a constructive one, which is great. We appreciate that. Great. Yeah. So what we'll do is we'll invite you. I just need to remember the name. I have a lot of messages. And what I'll do is in our next live session, what I'll do is I'll send you a message. Then whenever you're ready, if you choose to, you can join and we can have a little chat. Ezekiel Johnson said Tree Junior Pro. Yes, Tree Junior Pro. Thanks, Ezekiel. Okay, let me go back to Ezekiel. One last one, then we go back to previous translations. Then we come back to comments, if you don't mind. Okay, may I ask if you're developing the app yourself or outsourcing it? It's me, because I'm a software dev, so I develop the app myself, and it gets a bit tricky with my day-to-day job, plus a few things that I'm trying to do on the side that I haven't updated the app, I think, since last year, which I need to, with all the latest, all the latest updates that I have, and also the ISO version. People have been asking me about the ISO version. I am developing it, just that, you know what, it takes time. That's the other thing. It takes time. So with my work and everything else, it just takes time. But I think if I see that the demand is really high and I won't have the capacity to do it, I can actually ask some guys, some devs that I know, to actually help me out. But to answer your question, I developed the app myself. Okay, cool. Let's do this one. Thanks, Ezekiel. Let's see, what did okay, I can say that name.
Is it okay?
Mabongs. Okay, Mabongs Dua. I hope I'm saying your name right. Please forgive me if I'm not. Yeah, he or she says, but Mabongs is really a girl's name, so I'm hoping it's she. Mabongs, please let us know if you're he or she, if you don't mind. I always hear Ghana people saying
Asemu.
what does it mean? All right, cool. All right,
like,
Mark
actually, when people are, especially if you're South African, I believe the person may be a South African.
Yeah, Mabongs is, I think it's a South African name that's full is Mabongi, but it's usually a girl's name. Hence I'm asking,
because I noticed that mostly, especially those ladies that kind of befriend Ghanaians, the first word they learn is Asemu. You know, and when you say Asemu, say it's a problem.
It's an expression used to emphasize. Oh, how can I emphasize a problem? I don't know how to put it in English.
Yes, like Asemu.
Yeah,
I mean, you know, depending on where you're coming from, but literally, it's trying to say that it's a problem. Yeah. So it can be a problem as in a higher sense, or it can be a problem where, like, you're talking about expression, where maybe you are trying to find your way to do something, and that thing is really very tricky, or you are finding it difficult. So you know, you are struggling to kind of get your hands over something.
Yeah, and that can also be somebody telling you something. How can I? Let's say, for an example, I'm telling Mark some news. And of course, he's busy listening, right? He's been sympathetic to what I'm saying, right? So he might say, I say more in relation to what I'm saying, because it might be something that it's really difficult from my side, right? I'm not sure if that also makes sense.
Yeah, it makes sense.
Okay, before we go back, let's finish all the comments as fast as we can.
Okay.
Mami, okay.
Is it like what Ezekiel is even saying there? If you can kind of say, it's really a big challenge.
Yes.
You know, so you can also take it from that angle.
Yes.
Which actually is almost the same thing
100%.
we're talking about.
Ezekiel, thank you so much. I really, really appreciate your input there. Okay, how do I say it? Ajua? Mami Ajua. Right? Mami Ajua wants to say, said, hi, did you learn Tree or were you born in Ghana? I can hear some African accent. Well, it's a long story, right? So how can I put this? Both parents are Ghanaians, right? Was born in Ghana, moved to South Africa. Well, went to Lesotho first when I was like 9. Then, we came to South Africa after that because my dad is a teacher. So how it happened is there was a rule in the house where I have friends, right? Which is fine. I can speak English with my friends outside the gate of the house. So once I enter the house, it's Tree all the way. That was the rule within the household. So that's how they managed to teach me. Well, not teach me. That's how I retained the language itself. So basically, when you're outside with your friends, speak English. If you come to the house, you speak Tree, nothing else. Unless if your friend visits, then you can speak English with your friend. So that's how it happened. But thanks for asking. Do drop comments, guys. If you want to find out something about Mark, please drop it in. If you want to find something more about me, please drop it in. If we do some of the translations like Ezekiel pointed out, you know what, you can put in the comment section just to correct us. It's not wrong to correct us because there are a lot of ways the way she is, right? There are a lot of ways one can actually say a lot of things, right? So Ezekiel, we really appreciate your input.
Your input.
Yeah.
Because like I said earlier on, depending on where you are coming from, though it's all borders around, like he said, challenge or problem.
Yeah.
But depending on where you are coming from, you can easily put it in. But mostly people, like I said, South Africans, that's the first thing they like to learn.
Yeah.
Asemu.
That's true. That's true.
Yeah.
Then no, cool. That's awesome. Then okay, cool. Let's do Yellow Sun, we see your comment. We just want to go back here and try and finish Lionel's comments. Please keep on sending your comments. We'll come back to your comments, right? So the other thing was, what did Lionel? Yes, I told him that was the last one. Eh? So Lionel also wanted to know how to say, but he insisted on coming to speak to you. Do you want to say that?
Okay, let me put it. You know, someone insisting, it's more like trying to forcing your way through, or possibly trying to kind of emphasize or something. I don't know whether I'm right when it comes to English. So depending on where you are coming from, like this one, for instance, he said Nanso, ɔhyɛ, ketee.
Okay.
You know, when you say ɔhyɛ, it's like forcefully.
Okay.
You know, which means that the person was still insisting. You know, that's why he said ketee. So Nanso ɔhyɛ, ketee say ɔne bɛkasa. You know, so he tried to force himself out to speak to you, which is try to insist.
100%.
You know, or so I think that's the main reason why we brought this one, the ketee, ɔhyɛ, ketee.
All right, Lionel.
Because to emphasize, you can say osiso. If you say osiso, meaning that he emphasized, which one or the other person is trying. It's like the person is insisting on a particular thing, which can also in tree say osiso.
100%.
So ɔhyɛ, ketee, forcefully, which is insisting.
All right. I really appreciate that, Lionel. I hope you'll be happy with that. Now, the next thing Lionel wanted to know was how to say, please listen to my explanation. Right? I didn't read that wrong, right? Okay, which is Mepawokyew, nkyerekyeremu. So nkyerekyeremu is basically explanation. Yeah. So again, Mepawokyew, nkyerekyeremu. Hundreds. And the next thing, or the last thing from Lionel was this. He wanted to know how to say it was all a misunderstanding.
You know, this one is more like you said, it's like an expressing yourself or trying to. So sometimes the way you will put it can still bring it to the issue of misunderstanding. Like this one, where we say, nyinaa woanti.
Okay.
Meaning that all these things, or in all these things, is the person didn't understand me. So if the person didn't understand me, then it boils down to the fact that it was all a misunderstanding. The person really didn't understand you. It could be that maybe I said something to you, but you didn't understand. You know, but maybe at that moment you never confronted me. Maybe. Okay. You know, then I went to hear it from somewhere, and the person's misinterpreted. It's just like what happened at work. I think 2 weeks ago. Okay, cool. What happened was I was doing a delivery. So what happened was, whilst I was going, someone was from the X-rays trying to. He was making a gesture to someone behind me. So the person just was. It's like you are trying to squat, kind of trying to. So I also did the same thing to the person because I know the person. Don't knowing there was one old lady. One behind sister, nurse, there just by me, she's having pains, waist pains. So even her, while she was coming, she was also kind of doing almost the same thing. You know, so she thought that maybe I'm just kind of making teasing or making fun of her. Or you know, something like that. So it was like, hey, you, when this pain goes, it must come to you. So because I was in a hurry, I said, you know what, let me just go and do whatever I'm going to do, and I'll come back to her. So then I went back to her. I said that I heard you saying that this page should come back to me. What's happening? He said, but you were making fun of it. I said, no, I was not making fun of it. Sorry, it was just a misunderstanding. Because at that point, it was the person that was in front of me that I was to, but just that you didn't understand or you didn't know what was happening. That's why you thought that I was actually making fun of you. So I just brought it up with regards to this one. It was all a misunderstanding.
Okay.
The person didn't understand.
All right. Yeah. Cool. Yeah. Let's go back to the comment section. Like I said, guys, you can always drop your comments. We are here to read them and translate them the best we can. Yellow Sun says, Medawasipa. Oh, cool. Thank you so much. I will send to PayPal. Or I was wondering if viewers can send in phrases for translation during the live, or has to be before. Yellow Sun, you know what? Okay, if you're still on, right? Thanks again for trying to send something through. We really, really appreciate it. You can send literally as you're doing it now, sending comments in right now, right? You can send what you want to be translated during the live session. So for an example, if it's not the live session and you send it, let's say this coming week, like literally this very week, let's say you send it between today and Friday. What I'll do is on Saturday, I'll take that, and in my weekly video, I'll actually do the translations for you there. So the video that will come out on Sunday will have your translations. But if you wait for days like this, what you can do is while we're live, send in your translations and we'll do it for you live. That's the whole purpose of this whole live thing. So we can interact with you guys and we can do your live translations right there and then. So I hope you're happy with it. And if you're still there, just send it through and we'll do it for you. Okay, cool. That was that. Now let's go back to Josiah. Cool. So Josiah wanted to know a few things. The first thing that Josiah wanted to know was, let me eat in peace. All right. So that in Twi is nnidi. Or you can say ndidi
asomdwoe or nnidi asomdwoe,
which in this case asomdwoe will be peace.
Yeah.
So so asomdwoe will be in peace. All right. Then the next thing that Josiah wanted to know was, is it true you are leaving? Okay, Mark, you want to go with this one?
Nokware say worekɔ.
Okay.
Nokware say worekɔ. You know, this nokware, you remember the last time we were talking about, some people also put it nokware.
Yes.
You know, but actually this is the right way you need to write it, nokware, of which you pronounce it nokware. You can say nokware or nokware.
Yeah.
Because I've seen people also writing it with, let's say nokware, we say like N-O, let me say it in English. That one I know you will understand. N-O-K, like this.
Yeah.
They will write O-R. That is the trade which will be like nokware.
Okay.
Yeah. But mostly it's supposed to be like nokware, of which you can say nokware.
Okay, cool.
You will understand. So nokware say worekɔ. Nokware say worekɔ. And the other one was nokware say woregyae.
Okay, so
meaning that you are stopping that particular thing. As in, let's say maybe like this live session, maybe you want to leave it. You say you are leaving it. You see, that one is different from someone leaving, as in going somewhere.
Yeah.
So it depends on what the person is trying to say. So is it true you are leaving? Leaving what? First, if you are leaving, as in you came to visit me and I'm going, I'm leaving that project. I can say, nokware say worekɔ. And the other one, nokware say woregyae, meaning you are stopping that particular work and possibly leaving. So woregyae adwuma as an example, meaning that you are leaving the job.
100%. Okay, cool.
Or you can even say nokware say woregyae yɛn you are leaving us. Nokware say woregyae yɛn meaning, is it true that you are leaving us?
Yeah. Then there was this one. I think I'll need your help with this one from Josiah again. He wanted to know, how would you say guess what food I'm cooking? Guess would be, do we have a word for guess?
Yeah, guess, guess is like the person trying to kind of you wouldn't say but
see, that's the thing. That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, but what you would say is that it's more like in English you can say it's like try and figure out what I'm doing,
so or
what I'm cooking.
Okay, cool.
You understand? So if it is that way, you can if it is a okay. So when you say "shese," that means it's like try and see whether you would be able to tell me what I'm
cooking. Yeah.
So try and see. It means that you are trying to guess.
Okay.
So it's a "shese." It's a guess what food I'm. "Shese obetimi akyerɛ me aduane a menua."
Okay, that makes sense.
Unless the person, this one contextually, you can also say that in English like this one, guess what I'm cooking. It's like me trying to tell you that, guess what I'm cooking. Maybe I'm cooking rice and stew, maybe. So in that case, it's a little bit different because I'm trying to, it's like a rhetorical question. I'm saying I'm answering myself, so that one, you can also, you can say, maybe,
okay.
That is, it's different from what the first one I explained, though they are all guests, but one is a rhetorical question, and the other one is more like I'm asking you to try and guess what I'm cooking.
100%. No, that's fine. I understand. Lionel, I hope Mark's explanation was clear enough. Then this one was draw the curtains. Like I might need with this. I couldn't actually pronounce this word properly.
When I initially saw the draw the curtains, I was like, is it like he's trying to tell me either to kind of, let's say, open the curtain, or he's trying to say draw the curtain, literally drawing the curtain.
Okay.
But I think I understood that you want them to open the curtain, draw the curtain. So say bue, that means open.
Yeah.
Ichantam.
Okay.
Ichantam is a compound word. Let me put it that way. Icha, meaning that partition, like something to divide something.
Yeah.
And a tam is like a cloth. You understand?
Okay.
So like this one, like what we have here, of course, curtains are made of cloth, whether cotton, whether nylon, whatever it may be. So I say, bue ichantam no.
Yes.
Meaning draw the curtain or open the curtain. Or there's a borrowed word, bue partisan. It's a borrowed word. It's partition.
Yes, I understand.
Which means that it's also a curtain, but it's not like for the windows. Mostly, let me put it this way.
Yeah.
The Muslims, as an example.
Yeah.
In the mosque, I think so.
Yeah.
Mostly there should be a partition between the woman and
that's true.
Yeah. So they have to put possibly a partition.
True.
Which would be a curtain at least.
True.
To say it least, it would be a curtain. So in that case, you say it's a partition because they use it to kind of divide the two. Let's say how do I put it? Trying to kind of divide the space into two. So it's a partition. So when you go to Ghana, you will see people saying a chantam, or someone will say partition. When you hear partition,
then the
person is talking about a curtain.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
I hope I didn't talk too much and you understood what I was saying.
Provided it's clear, Josiah. I hope you actually
partisan.
100%. Then the next thing that he wanted to know was, can you open the door for me, please? Okay, you can say that. Okay, I think I did this thing twice, but the first one will be ube to me a brie, puno no amame, or Mepawokyew brie, puno no mame. So again, ube to me a brie, puno no amame, or Mepawokyew brie, puno no mame, which is basically the first one is, can you open the door for me? And the second one is, please open the door for me.
Yeah.
All right. I see that. Yeah, okay. My bongs is a South African.
Yeah.
Hi, thanks for your support. Okay, cool. Now the next thing is from Yellow Sun. Okay. Yellow Sun wanted to know a few things. Sorry, I need to go close because I can't really see. Unless I can maximize this. Oh, cool. We can maximize this. Oh, sweet. So Yellow Sun wanted to know
something happened.
Okay, is it there?
Yeah.
Do we start here?
Yeah.
Can we go there?
Yeah.
Can we go there? Okay. Something happened. Depends. Something happened can be okay, I can say messy because that's something.
So like this one, said something happened. Biribi.
Okay, true.
Something happened.
Yes.
Yeah, biribi. That means something.
Yes.
See, because it is.
Well, that's happened.
It's past tense.
Yes.
Yeah. So see. So biribi see.
Mm.
So I don't know what happened. Let's say possibly.
But this will get a bit. Yeah, this will get a bit complicated.
Yeah. Let me not even go there. But let's put it that way. BBC. Okay. Let's say. So
you
left your maybe you left your boyfriend with someone in the
okay.
You know. Yeah. So then he came back, and when you look at him, it's like something is not right here. So then you tell her, I think something happened. You guys, there's something happened. So you can say Biribisi. Yeah, something happened.
100%. So it's Bribi C. So what I'll do is, right, Yellow Sun, when this thing goes, because this is live, so when I can actually upload it properly, everything that's here, right, what I'll do is in the description section, I'll actually write what you wrote and the key translation for everything that you did here, which is great. I like the way you did it because it's easy for me. Now, the next thing was, someday I will leave this place. Okay, you can say that should be mefri ha, which is someday I'll leave here. What's the best?
You can also say dakro, meaning one day.
Yes.
You know.
Yes.
So it means that you're talking about the future tense.
Yes.
So one day I will leave this place. Dakro, mefri aha, meaning I will leave this place.
But one can also say
ahase, this place.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, all right, that's very true.
Okay, cool. Then the next thing was they usually talk loudly.
So like this one, they usually, maybe you have something to say.
You can say they usually omota kasading, which in this 100%. Case would be loudly. We'll translate that as loudly, right? Yeah. Unless if there's another way to put it.
It's 100%. That's what I wanted to also say.
Okay, cool. Then
time in the usually.
Then the next one is his car is filthy. Remember, we don't have him or her or his in tree. So Mark, do you want to go for this?
Okay.
Yeah.
So his car, nishain. Nishain is car. So nishain. Filthy, it means something that is dirty. So dirty or filthy means a fin. So in this case, you say ne car no a fin
or nishain.
Or nishain no. You see mostly So nishain no a fin, meaning that his car is filthy or his car is dirty.
But remember, right, if it was a her or she, it will still say the exact same thing.
No.
It's exactly the same thing. Yeah. The only thing that we differentiate when it comes to gender will be man and woman, or male and female, which is literally Burma or Burma and Oba, depending. But his, her, all depending, we can say or no or ne, depending on the context that you're actually saying this in. Okay, the next thing that Yellow Sun wanted to say, okay, this thing is starting to, let me see. I like to wear makeup sometimes. Okay. Okay, Mark, I'll need you with this one because makeup.
God is good.
Yeah, that one.
Because, makeup, we don't really have a key to say makeup. That's why sometimes we kind of borrow those words. Like this one. He said, I like to wear makeup sometimes. The person makeup. In this case, you know, you will not write it this way. You can make the up. No, you sometimes you can even write this one, but you put them in inverted commas.
Yeah.
You know, at the same time, you can say, I am a person. How do I even put this? You know, we used to back home when people do makeups, we used to call them ponds. But I know that ponds is actually it's a product,
it's a brand.
But it's a brand, yeah. But we used to say, oh, we're cheap ponds.
Oh yeah.
So when you say we're cheap ponds, it means that the person has made makeups. So you can say, yeah, I like to wear makeup sometimes. So if you like, you can also say, yeah, me person me trim enim kakra.
Yeah.
When you say me trim enim, meaning that you try to kind of polish your face, which in turn comes to mean that you are talking about makeup. It means you are trying to polish your face. Polishing your face is a makeup. So in this case, you can say, I would like to wear makeup sometimes. When you say there's a sometimes. So yellow sand, when you say it means to polish your face, which is a makeup. So that's what I mean. I would like to wear makeup sometimes. Yeah. And the seventh one, you must look after yourself.
Yeah. Unless there's another way. Yeah. No, I said it so yellow sun, I hope that was helpful. Like I said, what you're gonna do is with all of these, right? When I upload this properly, I'll put all the tree translations to everything that you listed. So thank you so much for actually doing that. We really, really appreciate it. And I said, as guys, keep on sending through your comments. The more the merrier. We'll actually, translate them live for you. Let's go back to those that sent it past 2 weeks. Let me see, where were we? I think Josiah, we're done. Yeah, we opened the door. That was
where we ended.
That was it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Now let's go to this one.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Do you hear yourself? What you're saying isn't sensible. Okay. Do you want to go for this one?
Okay. Do you hear yourself? What you are saying isn't sensible at all.
Oh, there's an at all. Oh, sorry. I didn't see that.
So he said, meaning that you're listening to yourself. Do you hear yourself? Whatever you are saying, you know, do you hear yourself or do you understand what you are saying?
So whatever you're saying, there's
no sense.
It's
very harsh. It's very harsh. He said that that means whatever you are saying, there's no sense
at all.
There's no sense at all.
At all.
At all. At all. You know. So then I think there was another translation. It said, same thing.
It's roughly the same thing.
Yeah.
Roughly the same thing. Thanks, Mark. Thank you so much. Now the next thing that was it Josiah? Yeah, Josiah wanted to know was, how do you say don't let wayward people pollute you? Okay. Okay, cool. Where's he?
Contextually.
Oh, okay.
So like this one said, Emma wanna was say and say. You understand? Those who are spoiled or those who are wayward. So he said that Emma wanna was say and say. That's why I said it's contextual.
Because I thought that was one sentence. So I was a bit confused because it's two sentences. Sorry, guys. Yeah. So that's the first one, which is Emma wanna was say and say. That's the first one. And the second one was Emma wanna wafom. No. And say. So in this case, it's people that you've wronged.
No. In this case, he said Emma wanna wafom no. Those who have,
I get what
it means they've
gone the wrong way.
They've gone the wrong way.
100%. Okay, I get you.
So the wrong way, it's wayward.
Okay, true. 100%. Thank you so much. Let's see, Ezekiel. Okay. Yellow Sun is saying, thank you, excellent work. Great, thank you so much. Like we said, keep on sending any translations that you want. Then Ezekiel Johnson, okay, that was Yellow Sun, wants to know, how do you say it's an eyesore. Okay, in English, when we say something is an eyesore, what are we trying to say exactly?
Because that's what will kind of help us in translation, right?
If something, I just want to, if something is an eyesore,
because words, we can play with words,
but this clearly is not literally eyesore.
The reason I'm saying you can play with words is because of how it sounds. When, if not, maybe he wrote I saw, as in when you see this saw is as in you're having oh, you put it, they said abhorrent. I think today we will learn another English.
Yeah, no, don't worry. Ezekiel, awesome.
Because when I look at this saw is as in, let's say, someone's eye being hurt or having sore there. So it's an eyesore. It's like something that is piercing your eye, which would mean that it's an eyesore. That means a woman. You understand? If that's what the person is trying to say. Or if you can also say an eyesore, but that saw is in relation to seeing something and said I saw something.
Yeah.
That's why I said that the way
the context, right?
Yeah.
So in this way, right? Just to get the exact context, right? I had to look this up just to get the exact context. So it's something that really, it's something that's really unpleasant to look at is an eyesore.
Yeah, I understand.
So if they say this is an eyesore, then that's something that
just like what I was saying.
So what would be the best way?
So
if something is unpleasant to look at,
unpleasant. You said every time. When something
time,
that means
it's unpleasant.
You don't even want to see it. You don't even like it. It's I don't know.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
It's nilakani.
Oh, I'm going to Afrikaans.
Yeah.
Is that what we call Enya Moho?
Enya Moho. Now, Enya Moho, you say Obia Enya Moho. I think this one is a Ghanaian. That's
100%.
Yeah. When you say Enya Moho, it means that you did something that is not pleasant. That's true.
Yes.
And it also means that you did something that is not pleasant.
Okay. So in this case, the context to be it's an eyesore.
So I guess that's what him is trying to put across.
Okay, cool.
That why it's what we call eniamohu.
Yeah.
Obia eniamohu dear, meaning that the person did something that is wrong.
Oh.
And the person is not remorseful.
Okay.
You understand? Yeah. So if the person is not remorseful, and it means that why eniamohu, something that is not pleasant, something that we don't like, something that is abominable, something that we don't even want to see.
All right.
Yeah.
Ezekiel, thank you so much. I think if you're up for it, right? Next live session, I think I'll let you guys know, because work-wise and everything, it gets a bit hectic, but I'll probably post the flyer out 2 or 3 days before. Then if you don't mind, when we leave, you'll put our email address, right? Can you please send us your email address in our email? Then what we do is we want you to come on the channel with us, because the more the merrier, right? Then we can actually go on, talk, find out who you are, where you are in Ghana, and what you're doing. Then who knows, we can collaborate if you don't mind, right? But thanks again. Thank you so much. Let's go back to... Okay, wait. Did we do this one? We did this one.
Yeah, we did. The one is my belief is that Kwame is jealous of a call.
Okay, this one, yeah, no. I think I might need you here.
Okay. So my belief is that Kwame is jealous of a call and Gifty's relationship. So here, my belief, Mijidi, I believe, or my belief, Mijidi, or Mijidi said, to me, I believe Kwame, any break, a call, any Gifty, a young kufano.
Yes.
So relationship is Ayon Kufa, which Ayon Kufa also means friendship.
Okay, well, yes. Yes.
And yes. I believe that literally, yes. Relationship and friendship, they intertwine.
But I was actually going to say literally Ayon Kufa. What's that literally?
Someone is your friend.
Yes. Then the far part is like, well, I guess it's friendship.
Yeah.
It's friendship. Okay, cool.
That's what I was saying. That if you're in a relationship with someone, you are friend. You are in friendship. Even if it is a love relationship, because there are so many relationships.
No, true.
So, or generally it means I am kufa.
Yeah, 100%. Okay, Ezekiel says okay. Then it's fine. I'll put it in my at the end of this. Then you send us your email. Then we'll invite you. Then the next time we do live session, then we'll be with you. I hope you don't mind us literally you switching on your video so we see each other and we do these translations together. So I hope that's great for you. The next one is from Daniel. So Daniel wanted to know why did you do that? Now, why did you do that in Tree is Adɛn na yeah, I couldn't see that properly. So again, Adɛn na which is why did you do that?
Why did you do it?
Why did you do it? Sorry. Oh my.
Because the moment you put that then sa. Yeah.
Then the next thing is you think life is easy. Do you want to take that one? Okay.
That means you think life is easy. Better means easy or cheap.
Okay.
You know, okay. You think that life is not difficult.
Yeah.
You know, that's what it means. When say that means it's not difficult.
Yeah.
Which in turn comes to say that you think life is easy.
Yeah. 100%. Let's do the next.
Someone can also say,
yeah, it's cool. Yeah.
Life is just
no, 100%. That one was a good one actually. I think we'll do 2 more, then we check the comment section. We see your comments. We just want to do 2 more. Then let's see. Bring him out. What? Am I reading that right?
Yeah.
Bring him out. Okay, which is fanupie. Okay, there are 3 ways, I think. There are 2 ways of saying this. Fanupie is bring the person out. Then fanobra bonting is bring the person outside, which is literally bring him out, which is fine. Then again, he wanted to know, I'm talking about Daniel now, how much do you guys have left? Okay, well, that's Dudu was saying Naka, literally. Dudu was saying Naka. Let's check the comments. I just need to remember we
enjoy your lunch.
Okay, let's go for enjoy lunch. Okay, let's do the next 2 because they're simple. Okay, enjoy your lunch.
Okay.
You
know, in this context, it's a general.
Yeah.
It can be lunch, it can be supper, it can be breakfast. They say DDE means more like eat well. You know, which means the person should enjoy the meal.
You know, this reminds me the first company I ever worked for. Right, there was this guy. He was always weird. I don't want to say names. Whenever he sees you eating, he'll just come, stand next to you, look down on you, and he'll say, enjoy your food. It got a bit scary because it's almost as if he's saying, you shouldn't enjoy your food. It was a bit weird because he'll come and just look down on you and say, enjoy your food. I'm like, okay, thank you. Thank you. Build it is C.
Yeah.
Which is like literally build something. Adɛn, well, no. Because Adɛn wash.
And C is also wash.
Because then now we're saying something. So is build a house, but C in this context we build it. Okay, let's see. Where did you start? I think someone. We're here. Okay, cool. I think some people also call relationships. Oh well, yeah, that's also. I wanted to say it in
English.
No, in Tsonga actually, because I speak Tsonga as well, which is a language in South Africa. So I forgot that. Oh yeah, Mpanache is basically people that are dating. Okay, well,
that is when they are dating
in the relationship.
And you know, in Ghana, because the person is Ghanaian. You know, in Ghana, when we talk about marriages, you know, even in Mpanache, it's also part of marriage.
Yeah, before.
You know, we got our repa, we got the Mpanache, our we got a lot of our
Yeah.
You know, yeah.
Then Mabongs wants to know, how do I say I don't have money? Okay, I don't have money will be minisika. So mini is I don't have, then sika is money. Then
Mali.
Yes.
Chelete.
Then yellow sun. Okay, cool. Yellow sun wanted. I need to zoom this in for me to see. We have to be patient. Okay, well, how do you say that?
I was saying
abutre.
Yes.
Yeah. So I was saying abutre would be we have to be patient. Yes. Then,
or you can also say I was saying tuyebo.
Oh yeah.
I was saying
tuyebo. You have to be cautious. Or
it's also trying to be patient.
Yeah. Tubo can also mean let's say for an example,
it's like doing it slowly.
Yes, that's what I was going to say.
Doing something slow.
Yes.
Yeah.
If somebody goes tubo, so whatever you're doing, just slow down. Slow down. But that can also mean exercise patience, or we have to be patient. Then to be healthy is difficult.
So ubenya apumudin.
Edding. Yeah.
And yet better. You remember we once talked about not easy.
Yeah.
And yet better. So you can say so ubenya apumudin. Apumudin is healthy. And yet better. That means it's not easy. Edding, like you said, it means it's difficult. And I think our previous there was a translation where we said enyena.
Yeah, it's not easy.
It's not easy.
Yeah. Then they deserve great things. Sorry, how would one best actually say that? They deserve.
They deserve great things. If someone is deserving something, that means the person, how do I even put it? It's like the person should have it, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay, yes. If like somebody deserves something,
you should have it. So you can say that maybe they deserve great things. You can say omunya or omwetiminya, and I say you can say omwenya, and I say you can say omunya adekese or adepa, meaning they should get.
Yes.
Omunya, which is adekese. That means to you they deserve.
Yes, yeah, they deserve.
You want them to get great things. So if you want them to get great things, that means to you think they deserve great things. That's why they should have great things. So you guys omunya adekese, which is something that is great. Or adekese bebre.
Okay.
Great things. I think you can put it that way.
Yeah. Then she deserves. Oh, sorry. She likes to be outdoors. But that sounds wrong.
And when it's like that,
no, that sounds wrong.
And that's where a tree man will tell you that why we kramaija.
Okay, I like the word. See, I like where this is going.
Yes. Why we kramaija? It's a why saying. When you say why we kramaija, it means that person can't sit at one place.
Oh, they can't sit still.
He likes going. He want to go everywhere. Okay. Just go out like that.
But if you say
opechini.
Okay, opechini means she likes going around.
Yeah.
But this outdoors, right? I hope that's the outdoors.
Maybe he's talking about PPA.
Yeah, which is one. Yeah, PPA, the first one.
Likes outdoor. Oh, MPA meaning let's go out.
Yes. So PPA.
There's some people they like to be indoors. They are in the house. There's some people they like to be outdoors.
Okay.
They like to go to parties. They like to go to friends.
Yes.
So in that case, you can say PPA.
Yeah.
PPA to do. He likes going out too much.
Yeah. True.
Yeah.
True. Then he acts carelessly. What's the best way one can actually put
carelessly? If someone is careless, it means the person is how do I put it? He acts carelessly.
That's the thing.
It's like the person doesn't care. Yeah, of course. Let's break it down.
Okay.
The person doesn't care. The person care less.
Okay.
So you guys if you say someone that means the person really doesn't think he just do it.
Yeah.
So he acts carelessly. It
Yeah.
That means he doesn't really think about it. He just acts.
Yeah.
So he acts carelessly. So
in that context,
you can say, or
yeah. So whenever the person's doing something, they don't think about it.
It's
meaning they just act carelessly. Yeah, yeah. So that one is fine. If it continues, if this continues, we'll have to leave. What?
We'll have to leave.
No more. Okay, wait.
Yeah.
Okay, the no more part. Just
say no more with an exclamation mark.
Okay, so if this continues,
today
man,
is a good day. So in this case, he said, if this continues, a twaswa.
Yes.
If this continues,
yes.
So he said, a twaswa. Then he said,
have to leave.
You will have to. I will see you jao.
Okay.
That means you have. I will see you jai. Remember, we once talked about jai and
yes,
free haul and those things.
Yeah. So we'll say jai. Okay, then no more. Which is the no more? I'm confused.
He's just trying to kind of emphasize on the two things. It's a she, right?
Yeah.
She just said,
okay.
It's like, if this continues, we have to leave. No more.
Okay. All right. Okay.
He doesn't want more.
Okay, cool. So sorry, Yellow Sun. I lost you there a bit. Okay, cool.
So c'est toi soir. Like we will leave it.
Okay. We will leave it. Okay, cool.
You remember we said jaiho?
Yeah.
To leave.
Yeah.
So to ubejaho meaning that you will leave it there or you will leave.
Yeah. Can somebody say c'est toi soir? Yebeko.
Yebeko, yeah, we will go. Which is also the same thing.
Yeah. Okay. All right. All right.
Yes, Yebeko is lighter.
Lighter than yes.
Like free
because of the emphasis. Okay, cool.
There's a jai.
Okay. No, I totally
so
understand.
No more, maybe someone will say, it's like, it's free. The person is becoming furious.
They're fed up now.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right. Yellow Sun, thank you so much. As I said, we'll put everything in order for you. Let's see. Where were we? Can't remember.
We ended at C.
C. Okay. Yeah. The next one was, please everyone support this. Okay. So in this case, would be Mepawokyew Obiara or Obibiara Mwa.
I think you skipped something. There was a detail there. Say it again.
Okay. Please everyone, Obiara, support this. Mepawokyew Obiara Mwa Adie.
You see what they put there?
Yeah.
Said Mepawokyew. This one is not Mepawokyew.
Oh, sorry, I did not see that.
It's
everyone.
A plural.
Sorry, my brain. Mepawokyew.
Because it was a plural.
Sorry, I did not see that.
Means, I beg you guys, or please, guys.
Sorry, I did not see that. The part.
I know I remember you were talking.
Yeah, because
I don't see it well.
I stare at this thing almost every day. I think I'm losing my sight, and I'm told not to say that. So Mepawokyew Obiara or Obibiara Mwa. Cool. Then it was move from that side, right? Which is
move from that side.
Literally, is move from that side.
Yeah.
Then the next one is boom. Why are you walking so slow? Okay, cool. Which I think it's in two ways. I just have to put stuff. I just said in one, but it's actually in two. So the first one can actually say this is Adɛn na worenante bɔkɔɔ saa. So Adɛn na worenante bɔkɔɔ saa, which is why are you walking so slow? Or literally.
Or walking that slow.
Then the other one was Adɛn na worenante nya, which is nya is like slowly. I was going to give a comparison with its name. Then the next one was it's only best for you to wait. Okay, cool. Which I think there are two ways, if I'm not mistaken. The first one is Ebeya Mause Ubecheng. Right? Yeah, true. Ebeya Mause Ubecheng. That's the first way of saying it. Then the second way of saying it is Ebeya Pa Amause Ubenyabutre, which is it would be good for you to be patient.
Or to exercise patience.
Yeah, 100%. Then Boom. The last one that, well, not the last one per se. The other thing that Daniel wanted to know was how to say lay it on the ground and don't break it, right? Okay, let me just enlarge this so I can see the text properly, which in Twi is fatu form. Emo or embono. Oh, okay, so fatu form, okay, emono, which is don't break it. So put it down, don't break it. Or you can say fatu form na wamono or wambono, which is put it down so you don't break it. So Daniel, that's great. Daniel wanted us to play a clip from a song that he likes, but you know what? We're running out of time. We have 5 minutes left. So we'll probably do that in our next session when we have Ezekiel on as well. Then he can also help us with the translation as well. That'd be great. So for this week, for Proverbs.
Oh yeah,
it's your time now. Proverbs.
I think I have two.
Okay,
you know,
cool.
we always want to do two.
Yeah.
And I think because the last time we were talking about
oh yeah, the rope.
Yeah, so then I think we can also go towards that line where we can say that se anoma share eduasua or jibuo.
Okay, so if a bird stays on a tree for a long time, then he gets a stone, which is true.
Yeah,
which is true. Yeah. I get that one.
So in life, you know, just like Gaddafi was there for very long in Libya.
Yeah.
And now you see, even our Mugabe, then now people become fed up of them. You know, then people now kind of, maybe initially they liked you, but now you see that now people will start kind of not being happy with you because you've been there for so long.
Yeah.
You're even in politics and other stuff. So it says anomache biasu pia ojebuo.
So basically the moral is don't stay in one place for too long. Okay, cool. And the second one?
And the second one I wanted to say was se one kasa utri hua yeyiwe yibone. Se one kasa utri hua yeyiwe yibone.
Like literally you yibone or people are taking you.
No, yeyiwe yibone, yeah.
Okay.
You know,
yeah.
Literally, like what you were saying, literally. So one kasa utri hua yeyiwe yibone. If you go to the barber shop and they are shaving you
and you don't,
and the style they are giving you, you don't like it, and you don't say, they will keep on just shaving it. And by the time you realize they've given you a bad cut,
100%,
you know, a bad shave, whatever you may call it. So he says, so one kasa utri hua yeyiwe yibone. So in a nutshell, sometimes it's good to complain when something is not fine. You know, you know, we men, we don't like complaining. Because sometimes if something is happening and you don't like it, it's better you tell it or you complain about it. Otherwise, it can get worse. By that time, you can't do anything about it. So say one kasa utri hua yeyiwe yibone.
Okay, 100%.
Yeah.
No, 100%. Really.
I wanted to bring the third one, but that one I'll bring it next week. I will just leave it like that.
Okay.
Where they say that humenusuma mintina ochimi enunam. Achimi enunam. So that one, next time when we come, we will talk about it.
That's
humenisuma mintina achimi enunam.
So in South Africa, a dream would be like a springbok, or in Bala, like a deer.
Yeah, like a deer. Yeah.
So that's why the two animals are walking together.
They have to walk together.
Oh, so that I understand.
It's like saying it's just like saying
I understand. Okay, cool.
It's just like saying that it's the best of the same feathers flock together, one or the other, because those two deers, like you said, those two, they must work together. Why? Because one will need each other. Will need the other person's help.
Yes.
Says humenisumame. Literally, it means that let's say maybe something gets into your eye or something.
Somebody has to blow on your eye.
Blow that eye.
Humeniso.
Yeah. Humenisumame.
Yes.
So it's good to always have someone with you as a friend.
somebody dependable.
Dependable.
Yeah, somebody dependable.
So it's a life lesson.
Yeah.
Someone dependable, so that when you're also in trouble, the person can help you
as well.
The other way around.
100%.
You understand?
The right hand washes the left and the left washes the right.
So
don't worry, guys. I'll also put this in the description section. Then you guys can read through it. At least if you watch this video, you'll know what we're trying to say. I guess we're also trying to promote our proverbs. So that's great. Guys, it's almost that hour. So, Mark, do you have anything to say before we say our goodbyes?
Yeah, guys, thank you for your support. We always say that. And today it has been amazing.
Yeah,
because I could see that a lot of people are asking questions. And, as a matter of fact, we always say that learning is a process.
Yeah.
You understand? We don't finish learning. Let me put it that way. So sometimes you can't know it all. Or sometimes someone may also take it from the other angle and bring it, So it's good we are all learning, and people are commenting. It means that people are viewing and people are actually following.
Yeah.
So please tell a friend to tell a friend.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Please do that.
At least every 2 weeks. At least every 2 weeks we do live sessions. And if you have any comment, any translation, you put it there, and in his next video I believe he's going to translate it for you. So tell a friend to tell a friend, share it with your friends.
Yes.
Let them subscribe. Let them come and view. If you subscribe, please view.
Yes, please.
Very necessary.
Very, very necessary. And remember, also check out Mark's channel as well. What I'll do is in this video, I'll put Dominion Outreach as well, the link. Please do support as well, right? Do you want to tell them what you do, just in case these are new viewers?
Okay, Dominion Outreach TV is actually taking charge of your own life. So we are there to actually inspire each other, to encourage each other. We pray for each other. If you have any problem or any prayer topic you want us to pray about, we pray with you, not for you, but with you. So that's what it's all about. It's more like a prayer channel.
100%. Yeah. So guys, like Mark said, right, please tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. The main purpose of this channel is to actually try and spread tree. A friend of mine actually came and asked me, why do you actually translate comments? Why don't you do what you want on your channel and your viewers will just take whatever you dish out? That I'm like, you know what, I formed some sort of relationship with these guys, right? I would love it if I actually posted something in the comment section, and instead of getting a heart and a thank you, that somebody would actually translate something for me, and in the next video actually mention me. I'll be over the moon. So that's what I try to do. And the best way I know how is literally, people commenting or asking me what they want to know, because that's basically what the channel is based on. What they want to know in tree, then what we do is we translate it. Not just writing it down, answering it in the comment section, but actually make a video of it so you guys can actually hear how it's pronounced. And that's how this live session also came about, where you guys can actually interact with us one-on-one. Then that's great as well, because you can see us live, and sad we can't see you, but at least in the comments we can see what you guys want and we can actually translate. And I think today was one of our best live sessions, because a lot of people were talking, and I felt everything was great, and that was very, very good on my end. And for the the PayPal stuff, I'll start putting that in my videos, but please download the Tree Junior Pro app. With that and these lessons, as I always say, you learn Tree quicker. What else?
And I think, sorry to cut you,
no worries,
I remember there were some people who wanted private lessons.
Oh yes.
And it's not like we have neglected you guys. No. I think about 5 people mailed us.
Yes.
And it's like only one that has responded since that time. So please, if you still want the private sessions, let's
do this again. So the thing is, because we sent out an email and nobody really responded, it kind of faded away. So we just want you guys, if you're interested, just commit and we'll send the details to you guys. And if we say we're doing it, then we do it. But it's already April. So let's see what the month of April holds. If it doesn't work, we'll push it till whoever is ready, right? Remember, this is our email address, mine on the left and Mark's on the right. So Ezekiel, please send us a mail so that we can actually invite you on our live session next one. Then hopefully we can have a video chat, and what we can do is you can help us also do some of the live translations if you don't mind. So guys, lots of love from me, Kwesi, and Mark. See you next week. Send in your translations during the course of the week, and what I'll do is my next video on Sunday, I'll let you do the translations for you. So lots of love again from us. Bye.